Welcome back, Mighty Mamas. Today's video, I will be demonstrating for you how to fold any size fitted sheet super easy and quick, especially for us busy moms. And don't worry, I will definitely be slowing it down when I give you the step-by-step tutorial on how to fold any size fitted sheet. I really think this tutorial will benefit you the most if you go ahead and do it along with me. So grab your fitted sheet and let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is find the four corners of the fitted sheet. Here you will see I am shaking it out just to locate two of the corners. Once you find your two corners, you want to place your right hand into the right corner pocket, and then again your left hand into the left corner pocket like so. Next, you are going to bring your hands together as if you were clapping your hands together. Next, you will take your right hand and pinch the left hand corner of the sheet so that you can remove the left hand from under the corner pocket. Now with the left hand I just removed, I'm going to grab the elastic part of the fitted sheet and carry it over my right hand so that it folds over the right corner pocket. Now, once you have flipped one side over to the other, you want to make sure all of the elastic and all of the seams are lined up as neatly as possible. This is going to make for a very neat folding later. So you will see here that I'm doing that. I am shaking out the sheet to stretch it as much as possible to get a really even smooth finish to it. I'm lining up all my seams, all of my elastic. I have my finger tucked right up into that point of that corner pocket just to create a nice crisp corner and then be able to run a clean, crisp line from one corner to the other corner, which I will demonstrate for you right here, right now. So as you can see here, I am really putting pressure with my finger into that corner because I want to create a very straight seam, which is going to be one of my corners of my rectangle when it comes to folding later. I'm making sure that I stretch out any fabric to get rid of any type of wrinkles. I am lining and matching up the elastic and I'm pulling it through because I want to create an invisible line from that corner pocket to the opposite end of the sheet, which will create that flap that hangs over at the top, which you will see here shortly. But I want to create that nice rectangular shape because this is going to be the top part of my rectangle, which we will be folding later. So here is that flap. Now that I've created my flap on one side of my rectangle, if you will, I'm going to repeat the same steps on the opposite end of the fitted sheet. So now I'm going to turn around just to show you guys a front view of what I do. So after matching the elastic to the middle of the sheet, I will throw this end of the fitted sheet over my shoulder to hold it in place. And I'm just going to work the elastic straight down into the opposite corners of the fitted sheet. This is where I will find one of the corners and I will place again one of my hands into that corner. And now this time I'm only going to work with one hand. This takes away the clapping part of the original steps and just takes you right into folding over the flap over this one hand. So here you will see I folded over the flap of the opposite side of the fitted sheet, and now I have one corner pocket with one hand. So again, I'm going to match up my elastic, make sure everything is lined up as neatly as possible. And I'm going to push my finger into that corner just to make a very precise, neat corner. You want to have the neatest corners as possible. You want to have all your seams lined up to the very best you can. This just makes for the neatest folding at the end. So now I've created my second flap. Now we will have two corners of our rectangle, which I'm showing you here. And you will go ahead and repeat the step of bringing your hands together as if you were clapping. And then you're also going to repeat the step of pinching the corner with one hand of the opposite corner and then flapping that corner over your hand to create one corner only. Then you will again line up your seams, line up your elastic to create a very nice flap. So once you have lined up all of your seams and all your corners are matched up together and your elastic is nice and straightened out, you will be left with a square shape. Now, this is going to lead into the final steps of folding any size fitted sheet. I'm first going to show you how to do it standing up, and then I will also show it to you on a flat surface. Okay, so you can see here that I have my top horizontal flap, and then I have along the side from the top to bottom will be a longer vertical flap. What you want to do is tuck that longer vertical flap inside so that you do not see the elastic seam. And this is how you will be able to create that perfect rectangular shape that you are going to fold down into smaller sizes. So as you can see here, I've tucked it in, and now I am lining up the corners from each end of this rectangle. And this is going to give me the ability to fold this down into a more compact size as you would any other type of sheet or pillowcase, and create that neat square and just perfectly folded look, as you can see I did right here. So now I'm going to demonstrate how to fold the fitted sheet on a flat surface. Here I'm going to be demonstrating it on my floor, but you can use a table, a couch, a bed, whatever you prefer. And I actually prefer folding fitted sheets on a flat surface. I feel that they come out much more neater. Obviously, they're easier to work with on a flat surface. And in this case, I'm going to be folding it in a more compact size. I will demonstrate that for you here right now. So again, very important, we are going to line up all of our corners, all of our seams, making sure the elastic is lined up. So here you will see I have both the vertical flap and the horizontal flap. I have the horizontal flap at the top here, and I'm going to fold that over one time, and then I will go ahead and fold the opposite end over that, and it's going to create a nice, much more skinnier rectangle, as you can see here. Then I will continue folding by quarter sections. So I'm going to start with the one end and fold it a quarter way in, and then repeat this step for the opposite end, and then again do that until it is a small compact square, as you can see here. I hope that my step-by-step tutorial was super helpful for you in teaching you how to fold any size fitted sheet super easy and quick, because as busy moms, we are always looking for those quick cleaning tips. I'm also adding in here the real-time clip of how to fold any size fitted sheet while standing up and also on the floor. I just wanted to give you a quick real-time clip of this because I did slow down a lot of this video to teach you slowly and, be able to help you do this along with me. And remember, you can always replay this video as many times as you need to until you get this technique down. I promise you, once you master this technique, you will be a professional at folding any size fitted sheets. So I hope you enjoy this. I'm going to go ahead and play that quick clip for you guys here. And thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I really love to have you join my YouTube family. I have so much to share with you all. I'm going to be bringing tons and tons of cleaning motivation, also home renovation projects. I have so much on the way in this new year of 2021. I also am going to be sharing my heart with you on my struggle of living with anxiety and depression. I have so much to bring you, so please subscribe. Please join my Good Vibe tribe. And also, if you like this video, give it a like. If you want to share it with somebody, that will help my channel out tremendously. I'm working super hard at reaching my goals of meeting 1,000 subscribers because I really do want to monetize my channel. This here is my job for being a stay-at-home mom. This is my way of helping to support my family along with my husband. So thank you so much for being here. I appreciate, I love all of you. Have a happy and peaceful day.
Forever, and so does me. love. We gave it all, we gave it all. We say we love, we say we love. But we were just innocent until something better came along.